Alright YouTube, so I'm going to show you guys how to take apart a mini fridge here, like this. All you need is a split-in wall and a pair of these, and then, you know, it's just a fridge. This is the door. You come around back here and you have a compressor here. There's copper and aluminum inside of those. I mean, you guys have seen my other videos. So those are worth more money if you pull them apart. So in order to pull them apart, you got to get them out though. So what we're going to do is it's mounted here, 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 and here. We're going to take the split-in wall and just whack it right in those spots. It's going to come out, and then there's still going to be lines and stuff attached, and we're just going to snip them off with one of these. You're probably going to want to get these professionally drained first, or get your EPA 308 license and drain them yourself. They can be more involved, and you definitely won't make any money getting yourself set up for that just to drain one unit. But if you're doing this a lot, you know, that might be something to look into. So anyway, we're gonna get our split-in wall and whack this. This one already has been drained. There's a hole in this line, and if you wiggle a piece of copper, no Freon comes out. So we know it's drained. Now our sealed unit is free. We just got to snip these lines off. Now we have a compressor ready to take apart or turn in whole as is. We've got some copper here, we can get some of that off. So that's some number 2 copper. And we got some insulated right here. And just like that, now we have our insulated copper, our number 2, and our sealed unit separated from our light iron. So that way you're only giving the scrap yards your actual light iron, or shred as some yards call it, and you have the better stuff to sell them separately. So it's been another scrap breakdown video from Scrapman Industries. See you on the next one.